was actually a beggar and he used to beg the food and the money, whatever he can from the whole day. So one day actually he was lucky enough to get a cup of milk. It's a large quantity of milk. So at the home he came and he boiled some egg and some milk and he drank. And the half of the milk he settled for to make the curd. So at the night when he was sleeping by putting the stick beside and he was sleeping and the curd was dark red and he was dreaming of the curd. That the curd will settle in the morning. I will eat half of the curd and I will sell some more the curd. And with that money, whatever I will get, I will buy the eggs. And from that eggs, the hen will be hatched. And from the hens, I will bring another chickens. And so on, he will start a poultry farming. And then he said, with this money, I will buy the cows and then milk. So when he go on dreaming and dreaming, and in that dream, I will be one of the richest men. So I will marry a beautiful lady, and that will be my son. And when the son, and he was thinking regarding his family like that. And he thought, if my son will do some mistake, I will hit with this my stick on. And in the dream only, he just grabs his sticks and just hits. And when he hits the sticks, actually that curd fell down. So when he woke up, he saw that in the dream he actually took the stick and he fell down the curd. So actually the moral is that we shouldn't be sleeping for our whole of our life in our dream, in our fantasy world. Fantasy world is really awesome. You just go on thinking and I will be doing this, next step will be this, next step will be this, मैं ये करूँगा, फिर ये करूँगा. The fantasy world feels very awesome. But let's get to the reality of it. What's the real? You need to really work hard. So आज का morning mantra है, let's convert our imagination into reality because no dream is too big and no dreamer is too small. Thank you.
Let it go.